In this section, you'll be learning how to integrate the Mobilengine build tool into your text editor and speed up artifact creation. If you are using Notepad++ to code your mobile forms, you can use a plugin called nppexec to run pre-written batch files from inside the editor. You can exploit the plugin's functionality to make Notepad++ run the MEBT tool on the folder of your source file that is currently open with a single keyboard shortcut. To do this, you are going to run the Notepad++ as an administrator and create a batch file that does the following: access your working folder and run the MEBT run command. Save it to the MEBT's folder and name it mebtrun.bat. Download the nppexec plugin. You can find the download link in our tutorial pages. Choose the latest version. You can download it as a zip file. You have to wait for a few seconds to start the download. After the download is finished, unzip the file to the plugin folder of Notepad++. Grant administration privileges to copy to the program files folder. You'll have to restart Notepad++ to be able to use the new plugin. With the plugin, you can use the path of the currently open file as a variable named current directory by selecting the Follow Current Directory option from the plugin's menu. You are going to write a script, which will run your mebtrun.bat batch file. The script contains the path to the file and the current directory variable. Name this script mebtrun and save it. Next, create a new menu item which uses this script. Open the plugin's Advanced Options, and select the mebtrun script from the drop-down list and name the item. Click Add Modify to create the item. Click OK to restart the app for this setting to take effect. Now you can map this menu item to a shortcut. Go to Settings, Shortcut Mapper, choose Plugin Commands, find mebtrun in the list. Click the Modify button at the bottom of the dialog to set the shortcut for the script, and click OK. My MEBT shortcut will be Ctrl F5. Now you are going to set up some highlighting for errors in the output of the script. Open the plugin's nppexec console output filters highlight dialog, where you're going to set up two highlight masks. One for when there is specific info about the error location, and another to highlight more general error messages. These settings make sure that the console that Notepad++ opens to run the MEBT will indicate any errors that the MEBT encounters in unmistakable red. If you double-click on a red bit, the file will open and the cursor will blink at the exact spot with the error. Let's try this out. I'm going to open my form for the Rocky Jupiter folder. Deliberately delete something important, and run the MEBT with the Ctrl F5 shortcut. In the console, you can see the output of the command. You can see that the problematic lines are highlighted in red. Fix your code and rerun. The form is published to the cloud and synchronizes with your mobile device. We've reached the end of this tutorial. To recap what you've seen, you have activated your Mobilengine developer account, installed the mobile workflow app, installed and configured the MEBT solution compiler and publisher tool on your computer, and integrated the MEBT with the Notepad++ text editor to streamline your workflow. You are now ready to write your first Mobilengine mobile form. Thank you for your attention today. Be sure to check out www.mobilengine.com to keep up with all our exciting developments.